Are you tired of fad diets and quick fixes that don't last? Are you searching for a natural and effective way to support your weight loss journey? Look no further than linseed, a tiny seed packed with powerful nutrients that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Often overlooked, linseed is a nutritional powerhouse waiting to be unlocked. Join me as we explore the incredible benefits of linseed and how it can transform your weight loss efforts. Linseed, also known as flaxseed, comes from the flax plant and has been consumed for centuries. These tiny seeds are a rich source of essential nutrients, including fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and protein. While each of these nutrients contributes to overall health, their combined effect makes linseed a valuable ally in weight management. One of the greatest benefits of linseed lies in its high fiber content. Fiber is essential for digestive health, but it also plays a crucial role in weight loss. When you consume fiber, it absorbs water in your digestive system, creating a feeling of fullness and reducing hunger pangs. This means you're less likely to overeat or reach for unhealthy snacks between meals. Linseed is an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, providing a double dose of weight management support. Linseed, also known as flaxseed, is one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition and health benefits. Omega-3s offer a wide range of health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and boosting brain function. These essential fatty acids are crucial for maintaining overall well-being and can be a game changer for your health. But did you know that omega-3s can also aid in weight loss? Yes, these healthy fats can be your secret weapon in shedding those extra pounds. They work in various ways to help you achieve your weight loss goals. These healthy fats help to increase your metabolism, which means your body burns more calories even when you're at rest. A higher metabolism is key to losing weight and keeping it off. Omega-3s can also help regulate your appetite, making you feel fuller for longer and reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. By incorporating linseed into your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to burn fat more efficiently. You can add linseed to your smoothies, sprinkle it on your yogurt, or use linseed oil in your salads. The versatility of linseed makes it easy to include in your daily meals. Ground linseed is another great option. Grinding the seeds helps your body absorb the nutrients more effectively. You can add ground linseed to your baking recipes, mix it into your oatmeal, or even use it as a topping for your favorite dishes. Remember, a balanced diet and regular exercise are essential for a healthy lifestyle. Linseed can be a valuable addition to your weight loss journey, but it's important to combine it with other healthy habits. Stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and find an exercise routine that you enjoy. So, start incorporating linseed into your diet today and experience the benefits of this amazing superfood. Not only will you be supporting your overall health, but you'll also be giving your metabolism the boost it needs to help you burn fat and achieve your weight loss goals. Embrace the power of linseed and take the first step towards a healthier, fitter you. Your body will thank you for it. Lignans, nature's tiny helpers for weight management. Linseed contains compounds called lignans, which act as antioxidants in the body. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can contribute to inflammation and various health problems. Research suggests that lignans may also play a role in weight management. Some studies indicate that lignans can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is essential for preventing insulin resistance and weight gain. Linseed oil, a healthy fat for curbing cravings. While whole linseed seeds are incredibly nutritious, linseed oil offers its own unique benefits. Linseed oil is extracted from the seeds and is a concentrated source of omega-3 fatty acids. Consuming linseed oil can help curb cravings and reduce appetite, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. Practical ways to add linseed to your daily diet. Now that you understand the incredible weight loss benefits of linseed, you're probably wondering how to incorporate it into your daily routine. The good news is that linseed is incredibly versatile and easy to add to your meals and snacks. Whether you're a seasoned cook or someone who prefers quick and easy meals, linseed can fit seamlessly into your diet. One of the simplest ways to start is by sprinkling ground linseed on your breakfast cereal, yogurt, or salads. This not only adds a pleasant nutty flavor, but also boosts the nutritional content of your meal. Imagine starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a spoonful of ground linseed. It's a delicious and healthy way to kickstart your morning. If you're a fan of smoothies, linseed can be a fantastic addition. Just add a tablespoon of ground linseed to your favorite smoothie recipe. It blends well with fruits and vegetables, adding a subtle flavor while enhancing the nutritional profile. You can also mix linseed into soups or stews. It acts as a thickening agent and adds a rich texture to your dishes. Imagine a hearty vegetable stew with the added benefits of linseed. For those who love baking, linseed meal can be a game changer. You can use it as a healthy substitute for flour in various baking recipes. Whether you're making bread, muffins, or cookies, linseed meal can add a unique flavor and texture. Plus, it's a great way to make your baked goods more nutritious. Try adding linseed meal to your favorite banana bread recipe for a delightful twist. Experimenting with different ways to enjoy linseed can be a fun and rewarding experience. You might discover new favorite recipes and ways to incorporate this superfood into your diet. From savory dishes to sweet treats, the possibilities are endless. You can even make linseed crackers or energy bars for a healthy snack on the go. Remember, the key is to find what works best for you. Start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake as you get used to the taste and texture. Linseed is a powerful addition to any diet, offering numerous health benefits. So, get creative in the kitchen and enjoy the journey of incorporating linseed into your daily meals. Your body will thank you for it. Let's get creative in the kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of linseed, also known as flaxseed, a tiny but mighty ingredient that can transform your meals. Packed with nutrients, linseed is a fantastic addition to your diet, offering a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, these recipes are simple, delicious, and sure to make linseed a staple in your meals. Here are a couple of delicious and easy recipes that incorporate linseed into your diet. First up, we have the linseed smoothie. This smoothie is not only nutritious, but also incredibly refreshing and perfect for any time of the day. Start by blending together a handful of fresh spinach, which is packed with vitamins and minerals, and a ripe banana, which adds natural sweetness and creaminess to the smoothie. Next, add a tablespoon of almond butter. Almond butter is a great source of healthy fats and protein, making your smoothie more satisfying and delicious. Pour in a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Almond milk is a fantastic dairy-free alternative that keeps the smoothie light and creamy. Finally, add a tablespoon of ground linseed. This powerhouse ingredient will boost the nutritional value of your smoothie, providing essential omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Blend everything until smooth, and you have a nutritious and filling breakfast or snack that's perfect for on the go. Next, let's move on to a savory option, linseed crackers. These crackers are perfect for snacking or serving with your favorite dips and spreads. Start by combining a cup of almond flour in a mixing bowl. Almond flour is a great gluten-free alternative that adds a nutty flavor and a light texture to the crackers. Add half a cup of ground linseed. This not only enhances the nutritional profile of the crackers, but also helps bind the ingredients together. Season with a teaspoon of dried herbs of your choice, such as rosemary or thyme, and a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Pour in half a cup of water and mix well until a dough forms. Roll out the dough on a flat surface to your desired thickness. The thinner you roll it, the crispier the crackers will be. Use cookie cutters or a knife to cut the dough into your desired shapes. This is a fun step where you can get creative with different shapes and sizes. Place the cut dough pieces on a baking tray and bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until they turn golden brown and crispy. Let them cool before serving and enjoy your homemade linseed crackers with your favorite toppings or dips. By incorporating linseed into these simple recipes, you're not only adding a nutritional boost to your meals, but also enjoying delicious and versatile dishes. Whether you prefer sweet smoothies or savory snacks, linseed can easily become a staple in your kitchen. So, get creative, experiment with these recipes, and discover the wonderful benefits of linseed in your diet. Happy cooking! While linseed offers impressive weight loss benefits, it's important to remember that it's not a magic bullet. Incorporating linseed into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle is key to achieving sustainable weight loss. Don't expect overnight miracles. Instead, focus on making gradual changes to your eating habits and exercise routine. Linseed can be a valuable tool in your weight loss arsenal, but it works best when combined with other healthy choices. As with any dietary changes, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding linseed to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. They can help determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it won't interact with any existing health concerns. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of linseed's weight loss benefits. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Incorporate linseed into your diet and experience the positive impact it can have on your weight loss journey. For more health and wellness tips like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Let's continue this journey to a healthier and happier you together.